12 days old. American bulldogs are doing great. Their mother, Paris. There's the babies. Shout out to T. Lee, man, for getting me in the dog breeding game. Also, I'll be sharing some different information from other YouTube uploaders, creators, content creators on American bulldogs that I've also been learning from. Just a really great process. Also, shouts out to my homie Julio. He's been lacing me up with some dog game as well. And Evelyn. All going really good. This is 12 days later. This is what we got. All right, thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jerry Hines SRTV. Leave some comments if you have any information that you'd like to share with me when it comes to American bulldogs. I'll show my appreciation by shouting you out. Paris. She's having her breakfast. She's ignoring me. Paris. When you're doing a YouTube video and your dog is eating and ignoring you when you're calling her name. Paris. Let's get back over to these babies. Paris is grubbing. She ain't checking me out. Paris.